तो
Oh my god, yeah. I forgot now what that was.
Academic discipline.
Yeah.
So in academic discipline, learning around
looks so shit.
Your camera gave up.
ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लिया.
Where else?
What is the first thing you would want? Did everybody use
Why is
the
this so
same
fruity?
way to search, or is there something
Like me.
different search?
Oh my god, look at
Not long before
Salman Khan. I don't like this. Thoughts on final year.
Yeah.
तो
thank you, Veda ma'am. Not no thank you, Jayman.
Lie on the beach, right? It's and the noise. So I know of some students who would have at least one student who would have those big red phones.
Can you tell me?
read it in a book. She likes to scream. It looks so bad. Wait. I'm a bad bee.
What bad. The observer's role would be you would look at your candidate and you ask me you.
Arabic proverb which is silver the silent
Very good. Interesting observation. She said something about referring to a woman as a young lamb and something like that. And then she said she did two examples, but she only said empowerment. Yeah.
very focused on the board. I think she was correct one of the process imagined.
Only on the board. Tell me what.
She was making noises. What happened?
I want to talk more about the people who are silent because did they think that it was a taboo to talk or about women?
The camera is shit, but